Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are reviewing phonograms. Ang as in hang, ing as in ring, ong as in song, ank as in bank, and ink as in wink, and onk as in honk. The first word we're going to write is the word hang. Finger stretch. Ang, hang. That means there's going to be two sound boxes. Our first sound with our phonogram ang. A-N-G says ang. Please write the word hang. Ang. Please underline the phonogram. Ang. Our next word is spring. Finger stretch. S-p-r-ing. Spring. We'll need 4 sound dots. S-p-r-ing. First sound. S. P. R. With the phonogram ing. I-N-G. Ing. Please write the word spring. S-P-R-ing. I-N-G. Ing. Don't forget to underline your phonogram. Your next word is strong. S-t-r-ong. 4 sound dots. S-t-r-ong. S-t-r-ong. O-N-G. Ong. Please write the word strong. And don't forget to underline the phonogram ong. Our next word is bank. B-ank. Bank. 2 sound dots. First sound B. Phonogram ank. A-N-K. Ank. Please write bank. B-ank. Please underline the phonogram. Ank. Our next word is the word think. Ink. 2 sound dots. First sound TH digraph. Ink. Think. Please write the word think. Ink. I-N-K. Think. Underline the phonogram. And our last word is honk. H-onk. 2 sound dots. First sound h. Second sound or phonogram onk. Please write the word honk. Underline the phonogram. Way to go. All right, my friends, you can see here we have a few more phonograms. All, L, ill are the 3 that we are working with today. We are going to read each sentence and underline all the words that have all, L, or ill in them. Then we will write the words under the correct column below. The first sentence says, he can still see the ball. Please underline any words that have all, L, or ill phonograms. I'm going to underline still and ball. Then we're going to write them in the correct columns. I see ill as in still, so I'm going to write it underneath the ill column. Then I see ball, I'll put that underneath the all column. Our next sentence says, can you fit it all up? Please underline any words that have all, L, or ill. Fill and all. Please write them underneath the correct column. Next sentence. I can tell how tall you are. I'm going to underline tell and tall. Tell goes under the L column, and tall goes under the all column. Next sentence, they will sell you the bell. Oh, I see 3 in this sentence. Will has ill, sell has L, and bell also has L. Then please write them underneath the correct columns. Will sell bell. Last sentence. Do you want to call Bill? All as in call and ill as in bill. Call goes under all and bill goes under ill. Way to go. You did great finding those phonograms.